And what do you want with us?
I am Retinax. I was leader of Master Org's guard and his personal bodyguard. Once I defeat you, I can return to his service.
Oh yeah? I don't care who you used to be. The Power Rangers will not be defeated.
Simple Ranger, you haven't a clue.
You're the one without a clue.
It feels wonderful to do battle again. After destroying you Rangers, I'll have earned my rightful place back in the Nexus.
The Nexus?
He's stronger than any org we've ever encountered.
It's time to combine our powers. Jungle Sword, Savage Slash.
Impressive work, Retinax.
What is that thing?
He's Freezer Org. Today's Org spirits inhabit modern things. Watch his power.
He's freezing things. Watch out! Hold on, guys. We can do it.
Destroy them!
Come on, Grandma.
Time you learn to respect me.
Now what'd you go and do that for?
That was for calling me Grandma.
Has anyone ever told you that yellow was the color of fear? As in yellow-bellied Power Ranger?
At least I don't look like a clown.
Sorry, Ego!
Cole, you okay? Yeah. It's too cold.
Ooh, yeah, I'm good. 3 Rangers flash frozen like mixed vegetables.
Got him! Let's go, Danny.
You got it!
Yeah, there's only one way to defeat a Freezer Org. That's by turning up the heat. Flying Blaster Gatling mode.
Oh no!
Cannon mode. Fire.
Overheating! Freezer Orb!
Must down.